Hey guys, today we're going to be explaining how you're going to put EUP textures onto EUP for Fivem or single player or whatever you're putting the textures on for. Let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to be going over how to put textures onto a model. So we're going to open OpenIV up. It's going to be our first step is to open OpenIV. This is what we're going to use to put textures onto models. What are these? So these are DDSs right now. So before OpenIV is opening, we're also going to open Paint.net or any other photo editing software. What we're going to do is we're going to file open. Going to open up these two DDSs, which are on our desktop, and these are alternate textures for the model that we have today. So we're going to say File, Save As, a PNG, Save, okay, and it's going to save it. And we're going to go File, Save As, PNG, and it's going to save it. Okay. And I try to give all my textures in pings if I'm doing textures, so that they could just immediately be dragged and dropped with any file. Errors. Okay, so make sure we have edit mode on. Ignore this. This is just something I haven't done yet with the new update. Gonna make vest demo. Ideally, you would be doing this for your game. We'll walk you through that in a second. We're gonna put in this vest, task 5. That's the current name of the vest. So this is what it looks like. We're gonna add the texture to it. Texture 5B. Oh yeah, I have to do this. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna rename this to A. That way it opens. Make sure it's a lowercase a. That way it opens with the model when I open it. It also might not work because this is not named A, but I think that any model named A should work. Let's see. No, let's see now. Always gotta be something for the. Let's rename to A. It might also be the wrong name. I think that Uni shouldn't be there, if I remember properly. Okay, let's put the other one in and we'll see if that one decides to work with it. Task 6. Okay, yeah, this one should work. There we go. So this one works with the texture. Right now we have the beige texture on it for Sheriff. And by the way, this vest actually has textures here in game, so that's why I haven't put anything there, and as well as up on the top. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to 6A. We're gonna go replace, and we're gonna look for the texture, this one. Okay, so this is the one from earlier that we have. It works directly with this vest. You're gonna open it up. Open. So now we put the green one on. We're gonna save it. Open it again. Add the texture to the model. 6A. Okay. So that's how you add. That's how you replace the texture. Let's try to get this one to work here. So I'm thinking that let's look at this one. No, it does have it. Okay, well that's weird. It's really weird. 2. Oh well, that might be why. It might have to when you rename to the original model. So the original model is task 8. So let's look. Rename task 8. 8. Save. Save. And if that doesn't work, we'll go look at the other one and see what I haven't named in there because I know it works. It might just have been something about cutting in. Okay, now it works. So that's how you get it to work if it's not working properly the first time. First, try renaming it to A in the thing. Second, try making sure that it's the same model name as the original model, which can be found right here in OpenIV. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how to make it Fivem ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Update x64, and the reason I'm doing this is because I already have it in here as client-sided EUP. Model, CD images, patch, save everything now. Okay, so right now I have mine in npm free mode, and I always like to put it in here first to test it and see if it works with my default EUP. You do not have to do this whatsoever. Okay, so we have it in 6. This is what I've currently renamed it as to work with my my client side EUP, which I use for my test server. Okay. So we're gonna go up here. Not gonna go to the model. So to make it Fivem ready, we're gonna go copy name over. We're gonna go back up to where we were, best demo. So we did task 06, task 05, then the same one. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go rename, Control V, and then we're gonna put the little hat in there. And then that's it. We have to do that for these two. So rename V hat. Rename Control V hat. Okay. And that's the best way to do that. Now this is Fivem ready. We could take this, put it in our EUP stream folder. After we get our EUP all set up or whatnot, there's other videos out there. I'm not going to explain how to do that. And then you can just drag and drop that in there. Okay. I think that is all that we needed to go over. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me. I'll put my information in the video below. Thanks. Have a good day, y'all. And Merry Christmas.